If you want to set up an alarm clock on Google Pixel 11, you need to go to the list of apps and find the clock app. So we want to go to the clock. Now over here at the bottom, you can switch to alarms, and you might even be able to find some example alarms that of course you can use if you want to. You can just tap on the switcher to turn on the alarm, and you can tap again in order to, of course, turn it off. You can tap on the time in order to change it, or you can tap on the upper side of the tile in order to find more customization options. And here we also have the option to delete the selected alarm. Now, if you want to set up your own alarm, you can use this plus button that we have here in the bottom right corner. So you can choose when the alarm should go off. So let's say I'm gonna set it to like 9, there we go. And it is going to be automatically activated. And once again, we can tap on the upper side to customize it even further. Like for example, we can make the alarm repeatable, so it is going to go off in specific days of the week. You can also tap on schedule alarm to pick a specific date when the alarm should go off. You can set up a label for the alarm. We can change the sound. We can also, for example, toggle vibrations. We have the weather forecast, and we can also include some routines. And of course, remember to save. And if you turn on the alarm, you will see when it will go off. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.